In today's digital landscape, building genuine trust with your audience is paramount, especially when recommending products or services. If you're using affiliate marketing to monetize your Substack, correctly disclosing your affiliations isn't just good practice, it's often legally required and essential for maintaining that crucial reader trust. Let's dive into how to add a clear and effective affiliate disclosure to your Substack articles, step by step. First, open your Substack editor and navigate to the specific article you want to update. We're going to add a simple, direct statement at the beginning of your post. Or, in some cases, at the very end, a good starting point is to type a sentence like, "Some of the links in this post are affiliate links." To be even more transparent, you can expand on this. A more comprehensive disclosure might read, "Some of the links in this post are affiliate links," which means if you click through and make a purchase, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This clearly explains the arrangement without being overly technical. You can format this disclosure while Substack's editor is straightforward. Ensure this disclosure is visible. It doesn't need to be a separate callout box, unless you prefer that aesthetic. A well-placed paragraph clearly stating your affiliate relationship is sufficient. The key is clarity and accessibility. Readers should be able to easily see and understand that you might earn a commission from their actions. This builds confidence and shows you respect their trust. So, whether you're recommending a book, a tool, or a service, always add that clear affiliate disclosure. It's a small step that goes a long way in fostering a loyal and trusting readership.